Right now, what we need first is the primer on the walls. So as soon as they get that primer done, we can get that first coat of paint on and we can just keep moving.
Hey, that's not ice cream, okay?
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Nikos Property Show. Lots of progress happening right now. You can see behind me, all the drywall's done. You've probably seen the drywall video. I got a blower in my hand. This actually does not belong to me. This belongs to my man, Francisco. He's out here, he's gonna be painting all three of these houses. Right now, what we need first is the primer on the walls. They're going through getting all the walls cleaned off. They're also getting all of the outlets covered up with cardboard, you can see right here. So when they're spraying and rolling and everything like that, stuff's not spraying off the plastic and whatnot. They're getting all of this closed up all the way throughout the house. They got all the walls blown off throughout the house. Two guys are upstairs right now actually working, which we will get shots of them doing that. But you can tell the drywall guys finished mudding and sanding. So there is like residue that's left over from all that when they're actually doing that work. So the painters come in, they get all the walls nice and smooth. So when they're rolling, they're not actually keeping that debris, or not even debris, the dust from the actual mud doesn't go like right over with the primer. And then you can see that kind of feathering into that drywall once you're painting. So they get all the walls blown off, get them smooth, get them nice, ready for that primer. So as soon as they get that primer done, we can get that first coat of paint on and we can just keep moving. But once they get the primer on, we'll get the doors in, the trim and everything like that. Then we'll be able to knock that first coat out all the way throughout the house. I'm super excited to get this going, man. Let's get these guys working.
Y'all, you guys saw how they're prepping to do all the priming, all the painting, and while they're doing that inside, these guys are absolutely killing it out here. They're gonna put up that metal roof that you see up there on all three houses, the little section up front. It's a black roof. Right now they're just prepping everything. They're bending the little edges. They're getting everything ready so they can nail it down. Anything that is on the roof that's not perfect, they're gonna cover up with tape and silicone and everything to get it nice and waterproof. And once all this is up, we'll be able to get the gutters out front. But for now, we're gonna get this roof on. They're gonna prime inside and we're gonna get the whole process. All right, y'all, good morning, beautiful people. It's a wonderful day. The birds are chirping, the sun is shining, and it's a great day to have a great day. Before we begin, let me show you my favorite rule of these job site rules. Be respectful to everyone on the job site. Sea respetuoso con todos en el lugar de trabajo. I ain't no Spanish speaking person, but I need to actually learn Spanish, so maybe you'll catch me learning Spanish one of these days. Anyways, our job today is to paint these white beams behind me. They're a little dirty. We're gonna use these cloths that I have here, got a hose over there, and we're gonna give them a nice little clean so that they're ready for this paint that I bought right here. It is a Glidden Premium Exterior Paint and Primer. Resist cracking, fading, and peeling. It's a white satin coat. We got all this. We got our premium white woven professional 4-inch nap. You know why? Because I'm a professional painter, okay? We're gonna get these done so that they're ready for tomorrow when they put up gutters. Because they're gonna have to run their downspouts from here, down this post. So we're gonna get that, we're gonna watch them do that tomorrow. But before that, I need to do 2 coats of paint so that it's ready to go. And this segment of Paul's Property Show is brought to you by Nikos Property Show, your one-stop shop for learning how to build houses. So if you have any questions, please purchase Nikos' course because you'll learn a lot and watch the YouTube videos. Thank you so much. Goodbye. All right, y'all, so I did get the first coat on all these columns done, and I had to employ a real professional to do the second coat because I'm still an amateur. So let's go see what the real professional is doing. He's doing the second coat on this column right here. This is the real professional right here. What do you have to say, sir?
Oh, let me get the mic. Yeah, thank you very much. So basically, this is NPS Painting LLC right here. Just jumped in. Paul took care of the first 3 coats on these beams out front, and then I was like, you know what? Why don't I help out? Jump up here, and I got the top part done so far. I'm gonna jump down because I can reach from the bottom here just to get the rest of it. I might just jump on the rest of these too. I mean, it didn't take me but 15, not even 15 minutes to get the top part. I'll knock out one in maybe 15 minutes. The next one, 45-minute job right here. Save a little bit of money. Paul did a great job. Hopefully, I do a great job. And these things are looking great, man. A lot of progress going on, but I got to get back to work. Take this mic, man.
All right, y'all, you see it. Progress needs to be made, so we keep it moving, baby. Let's see how the professional does it. Speed is the key to the game, but not really for painting because you got to keep it going. Hey, that's not ice cream, okay?
Top of the morning to you folks. We are back here on the job site, and me and Paul got all of those front beams painted because guess what we had coming in? We had gutter guys coming in. So right there you can see, man, we've got Mr. Chris here. You can call him right now if you need a quote here in Chattanooga, Cleveland, all that, 423-240-9863. When they pull up with a nice van or truck, with a box truck, that means they're gonna be making the gutters on site and they're gonna be getting everything going. So I'm very excited for them to do this. We're gonna get white gutters all the way around all the houses and everything like that. Then they're gonna run it down that white front beam to make sure that it kind of matches and blends and everything like that. But as you'll see, the houses are turning out great. The drywall drywall on the inside has been primed. We are ready for trim and everything like that. So right now they're unloading, getting everything out of here. The gutters look beautiful, I'll be completely honest with you. And after me and Paul painted these front beams, everything is going according to plan. We ran into some situations this morning where we fixed it right away. Mr. Chris said, hey, don't worry about it. We got it. We're gonna make it work. So we're making it work. Just to show y'all right here, this is what we got going on. That's Mr. Chris right there. He's usually on the saw. We appreciate you, sir. Thank you for everything you do for us. And we're gonna get these gutters, well, not we, they're gonna get these gutters installed. We're gonna get to watch and they're gonna be beautiful. So that's enough talking from me. Let's get them working.
Y'all, sneak peek for the next video. Check it out. All the trim is here. Trim in the doors.
All right, y'all, so the roofs are done. The metal roofing, the gutters, everything. Look how beautiful that looks right there, the black on the roof. But I want to jump around to the side of the house and the back of the house. We've got enough footage of those roofs getting done, of the gutters getting done. I just want to walk around the back because I never truly show the back of the house or anything like that, man. But everything is going according to plan right now. We are pushing to get this one house specifically done a lot quicker because this is the house that's pre-sold, and the guy who's buying it, he's actually getting married, and he's trying to get everything done as quickly as possible so that as he gets married, it's all simultaneous and it just happens at the right timing. But as you can see, Paul, as you back out this way, just kind of panning over and showing them, I mean, everything looks great. The gutters, I mean, just everything is popping, man. The white with the siding, with the gutters, with everything. I mean, it just looks beautiful, and I'm super excited right now with where we are at this point in the process. Please do drop comments, man. Let us know, what have you enjoyed watching the most? What do you not enjoy about the construction process? It does get, I don't like using the word stressful. I don't truly believe in stress because things are just things, and we,
know, take on more responsibility, and then we call it stress. But truly, I just think that things are happening very quickly because we do have a timeline that we're trying to meet. You know, I'm trying to help this guy who's buying the house get into the house, and so that causes me to get, you know, flustered at times if someone doesn't show up of anything or something like that. But we just keep it moving, we just keep on scheduling and making it happen. But regardless, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you follow us on all social platforms at Nikos Property Show. Make sure you check out my real estate course if you want to get into beginners real estate and want to start learning about things like that. It's nikos-school.teachable.com. But without further ado, smile more, worry less, and stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.